Welcome to Tanks Invest. We're talking about investing, finance, and professionalism. As the recording time of 5:44 p.m. on Eastern Time, Ethereum country $2,695, down about 3.38% so far. With respect to overall crypto market today, you can see clearly we're relatively red at the moment, but not like a severe one, but just approximately across the spectrum about like 3.5% downward at the moment. With some altcoin obviously a little bit more severe than others. And the drives, I guess the sell-off that we're seeing, collectively is mainly due to the fact that, we have been surging for the last couple of days so far, reversing nicely, being supported by institutional, buying activities, rotating into large cap tech stocks and subsequently drag up the entire market, showing some signs of recovery. But as of today, we see that on the news front, it seems like with respect to the Ukraine-Russian war that's cultivating. It's not full-blown to be in realization yet. It seems like U.S. is sending 3,000 troops to be, in the border of Ukraine in support of this potential breakout. In addition to that, across the spectrum on the tech side, there's been a lot of reported of earnings that are relatively sizable. So Spotify stock plunged with respect to its potential decline on the growth projections that they have laid out in the management call just happened a couple minutes ago. And with respect to the other stock as well, Facebook, which is another mega company, they have provide a weaker earnings and a weaker forecast guidance going forward. And with respect to a specific reason why is because of the hindrance of their earnings margin. So Mark Zuckerberg has talked about in his earnings call that the company has lost approximately $10 billion last year due to his investments in metaverse. And with that triangulation, it obviously, is not the most positive signal onto Facebook's long term. Obviously, sinking $10 billion in 1 year is definitely not a small number. And with that subsequent effect, tanked the stock by 20%, which is a sizable one. But, we'll dive into the technicals, for my Patreon members in my future updates, and you'll see if it triangulates into a buy, sell, hold signal for Facebook, obviously. So enough of the rambling. Apologies. Let's just dive straight into the technicals. With respect to recording time of 5:47 p.m. on the Eastern Time, Ethereum is trading at the $2,700, down about 3.25%. At the moment right now, we are at the 2,699, testing the 2,700, which is the next level. The next level we need to get up to in continuous fashion will be the 2,850 when we get a bullish side of the spectrum. If it's bearish, we'll go down to the 2,623 and bounce from there. You can see clearly we bounced from there today. And at the moment right now, at the 41 out of 70, so at the neutral level, not the best, not the worst. But if we're gonna see negative pressure ahead because of the Friday affectation on the job report that's coming out at 8:30 a.m. on Friday, and if we hear more negative pressure from the Ukraine-Russia war breakout, or if the war actually breaks out in a confirmatory perspective, we will see more sell-off, potentially testing again if you see rock bottom again. And this is more of a relative exercise again, right? Because 21 out of 70, that's just completely a steal level, as we know. And I know some of the folks here on YouTube and obviously on Patreon have bought in nicely and capture relatively good gains at the moment. So, but if we see more negative effects, obviously coming back down to 2,150, wouldn't be a surprise. Respect to Bitcoin is down about 4% at the moment. The next level we need to get up to would be 40,000, or the next level down would be the 34,500 from here. I think the shot of actually going back to approximating from 36 will be logical. I think that will be a next logical bounce from here if we're gonna sell off from here. Again, with the 35 out of 70, so it's still a tolerable level to incur risk at if you believe in this like 5-10 years out or even 3-5 years out from here. Dogecoin is 38 out of 70 right now, 1383. So I like anywhere from 1325 all the way to 1201. Cardano is now about 5.5%, 103 right now. Anywhere from current level all the way to 92 is so logical at the 40 out of 70. So yeah, it's not terrible. Respect to Solana is now about 7.39%. I am looking to buy more Solana, like I said, right? And I do. I'm not saying I want it to happen. I'm just saying, you know, it's probable that we'll go back down to a more of a comfortable level next, right? As we break 100 to go back to the 92, and I will buy more again if we get there again, right? With a 30 out of 70. So as we cool down below the threshold of 30, yeah, I'll be buying more. XRP is down about 4%. Again, anywhere from current level to 57 cents. Polkadot is down about 4% at the 1892 right now. Anywhere from 1822 all the way to the 1587 is logical, 37 out of 70. ALGORAND is down about 3.27%, 39 cents right now. Anywhere from current level all the way to 79 is still logical level for us. Shiba Inu is at low 2000s, anywhere from low 2000s, 1400 to 900 from here. MACTAC is down about 6%. Anywhere from 142 to 120 is still logical. I don't really like this because of the flash crash that we're showing in front of us. That means there's some whale activities going on right now. And with respect to AVAX, down about 6.19%. That's 59 right now. We are I would not 59. I'm sorry, 69 right now. And I like anywhere from 59 to 50 from here. The 41 out of 70. Luna, we are approximating to the 45, so I like anywhere from 62, 52 to 45 from here. So we're $3 away from here. And knowing the fact that Facebook tanked 20%, let me just like look into it. Apologies if you don't want to listen to this right now, but let's take a look, right? We are at $323, down about 23% after market hours. We closed at 323. We tanked by 23% to 249 right now. Holy Jesus. Why are we going to 249 right now? Let's see why we're going there. We broke through like a ton of levels. So we were at 233, right? So that was right here. We broke through 1 level, 2 level, 3 levels, and then 4 level, and then 5, 6, 7, 8 level. Holy Jesus. We broke 8 levels from here. And why we comfortable laying at this level is because this is a consolidated level. And I think Facebook's a buy, to be honest with you. You can see how overly dragged up we have been so far if you just look at the technicals, right? We basically gave all the gains that we've had in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 earnings 2 years ago. Wow. Facebook seems interesting, to be honest with you. But for my Patreon members, you'll see more of a refined updates tomorrow morning first thing. So stay tuned for that one. Holy shit. Excuse me. Don't mean to curse. And with respect to risk management level, these are the levels for the respective cryptocurrencies here. And feel free to take a read and let me know if you have specific questions. Man, Facebook 20% tanking. It looks quite interesting. But let me know how it goes. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day and it's nighttime already. And sorry for rambling again, but appreciate you on a daily basis. And I look forward to seeing you guys on Thursday tomorrow. Take care. Bye.